How to add line in the Filmora editing app. If you want to add lines and make it more unique, then this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app. After opening the app, make sure you have added the photo or video that you want to edit, just like this. Now to add the lines, tap onto this arrow button right here. Then here you can find the sticker option. Now select it. Then tap onto the search bar and type line just like this and search for it. And now here you can find the multiple options of the lines. Now choose one that you like the most, just like this. And now you can see the line has been added. Now simply add them just like this and adjust them and tap onto the check mark. And now you can see the line has been added. And that's it. This is how you can add lines in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.